I'm Pat Driscoll, I'm the Director of the Cyclone Testing Station and I'm the Program Manager for the Strata Inspection Program. With the Strata Inspection Program and the preceding Strata Title Inspection Program, we've inspected nearly 1,000 properties, and of those properties, a significant number have had downward pressure on their insurance policy. The inspection matters because it gives you information you should already know about your building. If you don't know there's a problem with your building, that can affect how you get an insurance claim through later on. So you need to know what we do. It's non-invasive and it's free. It can be used by your insurance broker to be able to get a better price on your insurance premium, and it can be used to apply for a grant through the Strata Resilience Program.